And howdy, boys and girls. Let me get my light filter in. There we go. It's called a sheet of paper. Hi, this is Diebulfrog79, aka Old Uncle Al or Alan. I always confuse people with that. It's fun because nobody knows who I am. Okay, I don't have stickers, but if you send me a sticker, I always send something back. And what's my favorite is this, if you can see it. It's the Hudson Bates Pilot's Emergency Kit List from 1956. Hard to find. I remember it. I wrote it down. So let's get it out. Take the camera. Okay. And that's the Hudson's Bay uh, Pilot's Emergency Kit List that I send out to people who send me stickers. I don't have stickers, but I send out this one. So there's a list. And there's old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Okay, and back to me. Yeah, we're flying. Great. Keeping this short. Some people get confused because they don't read the thing thorough. Like Caitlin Strange and L.A. Prepper and a few other people, they still look at me like, why did Uncle Alan send them a list? Because people don't read the fine print. I can forgive Caitlin because she has, like me, cataracts. But a lot of people don't understand why this kit plans for a Hudson Bay Pilot Emergency Kit is so important from 1956. It was used in history, folks, for the early Mercury and Gemini programs as well as Apollo. Instead of their asked what items you carry for survival, because they got some weird stuff. And the main thing for all agencies and Hudson Bay is the weight ratio. This thing is 11 pounds and waterproof. 11 pounds and waterproof. We're going to try to keep this short. Okay, this is what I'm reading from the manual they used to have. I don't have the manual anymore. Hudson Bay Company, drawing nearly 300 years' experience in the wilds, have prepared a watertight emergency kit used for on trading concerns aircraft. This is a 11-pound outfit capable of floating. Basically, it was an oilskin bag. Now they replaced it with a waterproof bag. All right. Contents have been assembled with the view of maintaining one individual, normally for 1 week, if the users cut out exertion and hardship to inland. The Hudson Bay Company, with a characteristic conservation estimates that the sustenance can be stretched out 4 times as far, in other words, a month. Provisions for signaling, lighting fires, cooking, fishing, catching birds, and snaring animals are along those made by this oldest trading corporations. Once given royal charter a large portion of the North American continent. That's from England. Hear that, Hubble's cat? Where is the Governor and Company of Adventurers of England Trading Company into Hudson Bay may include, and the reason why. Okay? A lot of people look at the list and like, dude, it's another list. Well, this list is also a test. Now, a lot of people make excuses like, oh, I got stuff here and there. Hudson Bay, NASA, United States Air Force shows this list. If you don't answer the list correctly, right under writing, you walk or you drive a truck. You don't get into aircraft. Okay? They don't want you in an aircraft if you don't understand this list. It's bad enough they have to rescue everybody. And a lot of people don't understand. In-country rescue costs anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. You hear me, LA Prepper? $5,000 to $10,000 if they have to rescue you out of there. Excuse me. Me, I could walk out. You, no. I gotta watch my blood pressure. Okay, you got 28 tea bags. Purpose, making tea, also keeping you warm and provide caffeine. It's black tea. 50 tablets of vitamin pills, make up diet deficiency. Pilot bread. Now, pilot bread, you can replace it with hardtack rusk. I have to do a video on that. I'm trying to keep this short. Rusk is from South Africa and the African continent. Pilot spread. I think I did one for Joe Primal, but people keep forgetting it. You can buy it at Winco. It goes under Sailor Boys bread. Comes in a big tub. Butter. Butter and margarine you could store at room temperature for a little while. Strawberry jam. Spam. If you have religious problems, the other can meet the same weight. So you can replace that. Condensed milk. This is a sweetened milk. And a purpose to sweeten tea or eat on top of pilot's bread. Chocolate bars, again, carbs, food. Wooden kitchen matches. See, Hudson Bay, the original outfit, also NASA, also the Air Force. A lot of places they can't resupply with specialty matches. So kitchen matches was decided. And a lot of people write, well, I don't use kitchen matches. I use store matches or Bics. Well, they're driving trucks. All right? Reason why you use kitchen matches? 100 them purpose. Light candles, light fires. Knife. Purpose. It's a knife is a pocket knife. Multi-tool. Pocket here. Yeah, that's what happens when you got too much stuff in the drawers. Okay, multi-tool, the simplest is one of these. And anybody who's been in the military knows what I'm talking about. Okay, can opener. Simple stuff. Okay. You have a large tablespoon. Large tablespoon used for eating, for fish bait, for a scoop or shovel, etc. Next thing is a whistle. Purpose, signaling, beat screaming at top of your lungs. That one, a lot of astronauts failed because they think they could whistle like this or yell. And when they did it out in field tests, okay, a lot of people don't know. A lot of the Mercury program pilots, there were 50 of them. And after they finished the test, there were only 7 left. Okay, and that was one of the main things that failed them. Mirror, not to look at you, not to do makeup, but for signaling and checking on any part of the body if it's cut, broken, bruised, or anything. 2 purposes. Doubles as a signal mirror. You wear it around your neck. Okay, fishing line. For fishing, snaring, and binding, string for binding. 4 fish hooks. Small to medium purpose, fishing, catching birds, size hooks to local fish. Candles, 2. Cooking, lighting, fire making, Voltaire types. Simple as hell. Kleenex, a pack of Kleenex. Sanitary uses, fire making, it's in a hand pack. Again, that one, a lot of people screwed up in NASA and also in the Air Force. And finally, chapstick, used for chapped lips, mosquito bites, and small cuts. Unfortunately, A lot of people miss that one. Sorry, I've got this thing going at 10 minutes. So anyway, if you send me a sticker, usually I send this list out, make a copy and give it to your friends. It's a real good list. That's why I explained this list, because a lot of people look at it and like, I already got a bug out list. Well, can your bug out bag weigh 11 pounds? That's my question. And Hoople's cat knows what I'm talking about. Can your bug out bag weigh 11 pounds? Okay. This thing is, you put it in on aircraft, weight is a restriction. You're supposed to put it in a space capsule. They invented better ones because they found this limited. John Glenn had a duplicate of this in his capsule. A lot of people didn't know that. And it wasn't in a plastic bag, it was an oil skin. And he had a Bowie knife. And one of these, and told him good luck. In case they couldn't find him again. Okay? Because weight's an issue. And a lot of people don't understand that. I've seen bug out bags designed by, God knows, people who don't test them. Take your bug out bag, go out for 3 days, and see how long you last. All right? I got to go this month of April, part of the blog, sorry. I got to do eye surgery. I always enjoy getting cataracts out of my eyeball. This is my second time. I got glaucoma and cats, so I got to get surgery. So you might not be seeing me in the next month. I'm not going to do too many videos until I heal up, because it's a little hard to run a cheap camera with 1 or 2 eyes out. So I'm getting surgery for both eyes. So anyway, folks, I ran this again too long. So like and subscribe to me. If you want a copy of the Hudson Bay 1956 pilots list, please ask. I'll trade you for a sticker for it. Just contact me on my email, give me your address, and I'll mail you one. Anyway, catch you later. You have a nice day. Don't forget, like and subscribe and hit the little like button. Bye.